A simple and flavorful South Indian dish. Snake Gourd Stir-Fry with coconut. It's light, delicious and comes together in just minutes. Snake gourd, also known as chichinda, is a long, slender vegetable popular in South Indian cooking. It gets its name from its curved, snake-like shape. With a mild flavor and tender texture, it's perfect for quick stir-fries and curries. Prepare the snake gourd by peeling off the outer skin, cutting it lengthwise and scooping out the seeds. Then slice it into cubes. You'll need about 2 cups for this recipe. For this recipe you'll need oil, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, fresh snake gourd, curry leaves, a green chili, onion, grated coconut, turmeric and salt. First, make the coconut mixture. In a small bowl, combine curry leaves, green chili, onion, grated coconut, turmeric and salt. Mix well, then set it aside for later. Heat coconut oil in a pan over medium-high heat until it shimmers. To test if it's hot enough, drop in a couple of mustard seeds. If they sizzle, you're good to go. Add the mustard seeds and let them crackle for just a few seconds until the popping slows down. Be careful not to let them burn. Next, add cumin seeds and sauté briefly, just until fragrant. Add the prepared coconut mixture to the pan and stir for about a minute, letting all the flavors combine. Now add the chopped snake gourd and give it a quick stir. Cover and cook for about 3 minutes, just until the snake gourd is tender but still slightly firm. Remove the cover, then stir for another 3 to 4 minutes, or until the snake gourd is cooked through but still firm. And that's it. Your snake gourd stir-fry with coconut is ready.